In previous video, we seen about stored XSS. So in this video, we are going to see reflected XSS bug. So it is it is called as type 2 bug in cross-site scripting. So why it is called as reflected means it does not store the XSS payload. If I just send a payload request means it just send a reply response related using this code reflected XSS payload. So next, so the reflected XSS use a web server to reflect this XSS payload. So next, so we are going to see how this works. For testing this, so this is an attacker browser. So this is the website server, web server. So I'm just sending this script. Only it's just an alert script as a request. So the server processes it and give the response with alert. Alert means this alert dialog box here in this web browser. So that it's just a display normally. Then why we call it as bug? So instead of this alert, instead of this one, I can type document.cookie. So it will just send the cookie section to me. I can use malicious code to access the server, get admin details, all the things using this reflected XSS bug. So section hijacking example are, so the cookies are used for section identifiers. Example, consider you are using a bank. If you are logging in, the bank server created a cookie section for you. If you logged out, the cookie section will be erased. But if you are logged in, you are attacked by a web attacker and the cookie section will be captured by attacker means he can access your bank details. So that is why cookie is important. So HTTP only cookie flag set does not have cookie flag set because it is just a text file. So it transparently visit what we are sending in HTTP connection. Another thing is not proper validation. In server, there is no proper filtering process for this reflected XSS bug so that it can easily process through the server and get the response. So next, reflected XSS. So this is the malicious code. Consider this is a malicious code. In this reflected XSS, along with this URL, I'm sending the malicious code. So XSS code is sent in mail or anything to the victim. If the victim opened it means it will be directly connected to the server and send the response. So the response I'm giving here the attacker server. So the response is directly send it to the attacker. So attacker capture all the things. Only if victim click the link. So this is a type 2. So that's why if you are getting any link from unauthorized person or unauthorized company, we do not open the link without any problem. I hope you guys understand. So next we are going to see in a practical section of this reflected XSS. Okay, now we are going to see reflected cross-site scripting XSS bug. So it's asking what is your name. So first before that, we're going to change the security from high to low level. Click submit. So it changed it to low level. So I'm going to reflect that. So just I'm typing same script, just this. So I'm press submit here. Say just hello. So why this is not loaded? Why it is not triggered? Because what is your name? So by the way, we are going to give it in string. So when I submit here, so it's string. So now what we have to do is script. So I'm going to delete this string and type 1. It's a number. And I press submit, so it triggered. So next thing I want cookies. So what I'm going to do is the same thing instead of this document.cookie. cookie is this. So I have security low and I have this PHP section ID, this cookies. So I got, so that's it guys. So this is known as low level XSS reflected bug. So next we are going to say is DVDA super security. I'm changing to medium. So okay, I change it to medium. So I'm going to this. So next I'm going to do is, so capital S. So I'm going to run this, but little changes. It's I'm putting capital S. That's it. So instead of this one, we can use doc document.co cookie close and I press submit. See, we get this cookie here. So if you guys see here, when I type this again, another one, just submit. So it just say hello NSK. So it is not stored in database. It just send a request and get a response. That's it. It's not stored in a server. So this is called as reflected cross-site scripting. So next we are going to see is high level. So in high level, press submit here, going to reflected. So here using the same img. So on air. So we do not give a string here. Instead of one, we use document document dot cookie. So I press submit. See, again it's triggered. So this is a high level. Okay, you see this image. Actually, /img is an HTML image tag. So these are attributes. So if you guys know HTML, you can easily understand. If you guys don't know HTML, don't worry. I'm going to start a web development. So I'm planning to release HTML5 course next week in YouTube for free. You guys can learn from there. Same as impossible. So impossible level, as in previous video, I said how it will be changing. Example, I'm opening Amazon, a famous website like Wikipedia. I'm opening that. So it's loading. See, opened. When I hear script alert 1/SCRIQT script, when I press enter, so you guys see there is no match result, nothing triggered. Actually, you see guys, yes, the script is okay, alert is okay, but slash script is changing to another %2f script and go. So these changes make this website prevent unfiltered my payload. So this website is free of bug, XSS bug. Now you guys can understand what is it. Okay. So this is a type 2 bug and stored XSS is a type 1 bug. So DOM is the type 0 bug. So it is the most important bug. Seeing in a next video. Thanks for watching guys.